Everyone, I'm back with a new short unboxing video. So I've got two new additional cameras for the collection, and this time it's not digital, it's actually two Fujifilm Instax cameras straight from Japan. I got them for about 10 USD each, then they were in pretty good condition, I'd say. Why did I get a Fujifilm Instax cameras in 2023? Well, because of the historical significance. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 10 is actually the first Instax Mini camera introduced by Fujifilm in 1998, and the Fujifilm Instax Wide 100 is actually the first wide Instax that was introduced in 1999. So yeah, I wanted a part of that history.